but to the arena, then we do the
izindi timu z'abatakwebasa nga CSN Rubuga zo nayo tutungireho timu zitanu ekyo kirashemeza munoga kugira ngo kitwe nka ministry twirema kanta kugira ngo buri yomwe azane omungero ye yona, so it's quite a mass participation and the inclusivity, so it's a kirungi munoga. So far so good, we are progressing well compared to other years.
Responsibility with humanity by an unwavering commitment to excellence. Distinguished guests, throughout human history, sports has consistently proven to be one of the most effective instruments of building peaceful societies. It speaks every language, it respects every culture, it welcomes every nation, and gives every person an equal opportunity to dream.
This is East Africa integration in action. If anybody knows anything that brings together the people of East Africa more than this, I need to be educated. To the government of Tanzania, the Morogoro Regional Administration, the rock organizing committee, teachers and volunteers, asante sana.
Timu za Uganda hakukuba kiretse timu nyingi anagoje dokubarwa songa mutaro yene bireho ndeba timu ya Uganda ne korache munonga.
Now we are requesting all the students to be there.